everyone. I'm Cindy Palmer, the Director of Sales and Marketing for Compliance Training Online. We just rolled out fresh content and I'm just hopping on to share. If you're in the hazmat shipping industry, check out our revamped DOT Hazmat Driver course, our updated IMDG with Amendment 4122, and the Multimodal DOT with IATA course. Truckers, we've got your back with our all-new DOT Hours of Service course for safer roads. Mining pros, dive into our latest 8-hour refreshers for Part 46 and 48, but remember to get those certificates transferred by the appropriate individuals to a 5023 form or your MSHA training record. And just a friendly reminder that these need to be part of your MSHA training plan before you even get started. And for our construction legends, don't miss our newly launched Hand and Power Tool Safety and our concrete and masonry safety training courses. Stay tuned for more. We've got a lot coming, and hit that subscribe or follow for the latest.